Alright, we got Luis working on a Subaru over here. Just a base model. We're gonna put the bucket seats, the harnesses, mounts, sliders, and everything in the drift project.
I didn't make them. You guys are shorter.
If you're trying to remove your seats, it's not really hard. There's 4 bolts, 1 in each corner, and I think they were 14mm. Really easy to get to. You just gotta slide the seat backwards, front 2, slide the seat forward, get the rear 2. And there's a clip. The hardest part about that was that little clip. What are you doing?
Oh, that's what I'm doing. I gotta push this down and tighten the nut underneath because it keeps sliding off.
What?
This pulley right here, there's a nut under here that you... You're a douchebag.
What are you doing?
Taking all the bolts off to put the harness bar in. Had the mute, Luis cursing in the background, he heard himself.
Remember my washing fluid Oh, stop working.
Oh yeah, you're spraying it. I thought you were trying to get that up.
Every time I zoom in, you always get out. I try to zoom in and see what you're doing, but you get out.
Lock washers, dude.
When'd you pick this bad boy up?
What? Oh, just last week when I got the seats.
No, I mean the car itself.
Oh, I've had this for like 2 years now.
Really?
Yeah, how long? You think I had this for 2 years yet?
What?
The Z.
You were running the Cobalt last time I seen you.
Yeah, like right after that I sold the Cobalt and got this.
Oh shit.
Or well, I bought this and I sold the Cobalt a little bit after that.
How's she run?
I like it.
Yeah.
Let me set it down real quick, just right there. It's fun.
Yeah.
The Cobalt's faster than this though.
Hell yeah, it was.
Yeah.
That thing blew me out of the water.
Yeah, dude. I seen it.
Oh yeah, you were there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember your face when I...
You're like, yo, let's run.
I was all confident.
You were.
I was like, dude, my car's pushing through. You ain't gonna beat me. And yeah.
So if you leave on all that stuff on the seatbelt bolt, you only have a couple threads left, so I was just taking off some of the optional stuff. Yeah.
How many likes have you got?
So it took a lot longer than usual, or than we thought.
Holy shit.
You got this guy helping me.
Not much.
Almost got them all the way in. The sliders were the worst part. Alright, so I did stop recording because it was getting late and I had a lot to do. But, well, these rods, they were the ones that were going to be trouble. They go all the way up there. But, since they're curved like that, I couldn't just put it on and twist it to the length I wanted. So I had to keep putting it on, taking it off, and adjusting. But it's all on. And then I made the mistake of buying cheap sliders, so that did make it very difficult. I did drive 3 hours with them already, not wearing the harness. I'm not going to be that guy that wears a 5-point harness daily driving his car, but the seats themselves are comfortable for long drives. I have no complaints. Still gotta make it look pretty. So I'm going to be working on the car again this weekend. I ended up a couple weeks ago pulling a diff out of a junkyard. It ended up being an LSD and Levi. He just got a Z with an open diff, so we're going to end up putting the LSD into his, and I'm going to take his open diff and weld it so I can swap into my Z when I go to events. And then I have some arrow catch hood pins I'm going to put on the Z, and what else are we going to do? I need to readjust that seat because it's hitting the door. That shouldn't be that bad. And I bought extended inner tie rods to put in to increase my steering angle. I'm not sure if they're going to be in this weekend, but hopefully they are. That way I can put those on and do an alignment because it's going to screw that up. And maybe work on Levi's Z a little bit. And then just doing the rest to my girlfriend's Z. Try and get that done to get inspected. Should be a busy weekend. Try and record as much as I can. I'm not really good at this. I've never recorded before, but I got a camera. I like it.